Man, I'm telling you what, I am really impressed with this 1.5-inch wand. So easy to use. So for you guys who have a little smaller hands, this will work great for you. 2-inch, 1.5-inch, both of them are screaming wands. I think I'll put an extra layer down here for this concentrated traffic pattern. I must admit, this orange label, it actually smells so very luxurious. Man, it's looking better already. Amazing what a little pre-agitation can do. Watch how easy a swivel wand can knock out a small closet. Check this out. I can get right up into the corners without having to go inside of it. Isn't that cool? Wow, those bedrooms turned out great. However, I wanted to see if I can get a racing stripe out of this. Even though I've already pre-sprayed, pre-agitated, and it's already looking better, let's see if we can get a racing stripe out of it. Wow, as you can see, this stuff worked amazing. It smelled great and it looked great. Uh-oh. Move over, Black Label. You got a competitor.